What's up, guys? We're back. So today, Chris and I are leaving on our next great adventure, but we're gonna keep it a little secret. So right now, we do have a layover in Shanghai. That's where we're headed first. And then after Shanghai, I'm not even gonna tell you where that is. You'll see. We'll keep the suspense. It'll be a surprise. Let's do this. We just arrived in the airport in Shanghai. We gotta go get our bag and then find where we get our transit visas, then figure out the maglev to get to our hotel. We've got 17 hours here, so it should be an interesting night. Alright guys, we're in the room. We just got our first taste of Shanghai, going through the subway, the maglev, and just walking through, I guess, downtown Shanghai. It looks really cool. We want to go back out there in just a minute and record some stuff and do some stuff for this vlog. I'm going to do a little room tour of our room really quick. It's nothing fancy, but this is what we got for the night. This is awesome. This is everything I wanted out of Shanghai already. That's it for exploring Shanghai tonight. Everything closed down at like 11. Yeah, we didn't realize things were gonna close so early, but that's okay. We can see it a little bit in the morning tomorrow, and we do have to catch a plane. It was cool though. This was a really cool experience. I definitely recommend, if you have any layovers in Shanghai, take them or just come visit. It's pretty cool.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. That was an alright night of sleep. The bed wasn't too bad or anything. So today we head to Seoul. We're gonna go out in a little bit and try to see if we can find some water. Maybe look around. We saw a mart last night, so we'll probably go in there and then just pack our stuff up and head back to the airport early in the morning. Okay, it just started raining a little bit, so we're gonna go back to our hotel. We were out here looking around a little bit. I'll be honest, I don't know about Chris, but Shanghai's got its hooks in me a little bit. We were talking about maybe it'd be cool to come back here and try to stay in one of these really nice hotels for like 3 days or something and just explore the city, see what we didn't get to see on this little layover. But this was definitely cool. I'm really glad we had this layover. This is the maglev. It goes up to 300 kilometers an hour. Pretty sure it's the fastest train in the world. That's what I heard. If not, it's definitely close. of our China adventures. Next up, Seoul. We got a couple hours, but we're gonna head over there, just try to be early and be ready. We just arrived in Seoul at the Incheon airport. We are going to go through arrivals and find our bags, and then we'll head to downtown and find our Airbnb. We've got our room. It's just a chill day, relaxing, kind of getting the hang of things. Got some food. Sorry I didn't record too much after we got here, but tomorrow I'll try to make it up. Apparently it's supposed to rain for the next 5 days, but I don't know how hard that rain's actually going to be, so we'll see what we can do. There's a lot I want to do here. We only have 10 days here, but we can do a lot in 10 days, so we'll see what we can do. Night, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.